Hi, welcome Priya. In today's ethnic wear, we are going to see Anarkali collections, how I styled it, used it, and reused it, along with some tips. So let's begin. In the first look, I paired up a black original Anarkali, which is netted, along with netted dupatta and golden chudidar. I paired it many times with golden stud and golden necklace, which looked good. I reused this dress chudidar and dupatta as many times with the black and pink colored kurta. As the golden work of the Kali dress came out, I then used it for stitching a blouse out of the lining. This is the next anarkali, which is a cotton and below the knee length. I used the same dupatta and chudidar for the previous black kurta. It too looked good. I purchased it for a wedding reception and it was worth it. I wore as many times and it was that useful. I paired up this dress too with the golden jewelry. This is a This came up in a set which had to be stitched up with silver diamond or detailing on it. I paired up with silver jewelry whenever I wore it. Here one tip I would like to give you is please check the flare of the inner lining so that you don't end up getting a tight dress for yourself. The next anarkali is a tie-up patterned under Angaraka style netted anarkali. This is again a below length anarkali. The chudidar, dupatta and the top all three came in a monochromatic look, that is same colored and same design pattern. This has a silver detailing and silver zari on it. I used it with silver jewelry as many times and now I'll be using the dupatta and chudidar. I'll share the pics or video once I restyle it with the different kurta. This dress I purchased and wore it as a set with beads, silver color jewelry and with open hairs. As it was a light color dress, my hairs with being open looked good. I purchased it for a wedding reception, and if you have this kind of dress, it is heavy so you can wear it for special occasions. I didn't have a big jewelry at that time, so I just paired up two layering of different jewelries which looked good, as you can see in the video. The next one is a pink color cotton anarkali top. This I purchased only as a top, and after wearing it for a long time, I removed the patches and border which was in the bottom and then used it as a kurti dress or a home dress. Later on, when even that it became tight, I just cut up the topmost portion as it was torn or destroyed, and then the lower portion will be attached to a skirt. I'll be sharing that once it's done. I styled this kurti top with dark blue chudidar and dupatta with black palazzo and with golden chudidar and palazzo. In case if you have same type of kurta, you can style it with plazoos as plazos are in trend these days. The next one, anarkali, is in crepe material. I again bought it in set, and this had two types of sleeves. One, a full net sleeves, and the other, a sleeves in crepe material. This I wore up as a set, and later when the chudidar became tight for me or small, then I wore it with the black leggings and black dupatta. This too looked good. You can style it in the same way if you are having a problem with the bottom or with the dupatta. The last one is my favorite and looks good with pink jewelry, jewelry, golden jewelry, or whichever kind you try, because it has 2 to 3 colors on it. I wore it for many occasions and still it remained as good. It's a net anarkali which has a raw silk lining in it. You can style this anarkalis for special occasions, party occasions, wedding functions, etc. After using it for a long time, now I'm thinking of to use the bottom portion of the full floor length anarkali to make a lehenga and use the same dupatta with it. As I haven't completed the project yet, I'll be sharing an idea of how I'm doing it. I'll let you know once I complete it. I will suggest you, in case if you do not have anarkali, you must buy at least two. One cotton anarkali which can be worn in summer as kurta dress or home dress. The other one with work or beads or any laces, tassels for festivals or special occasion. Buy contrast matches anarkali and wear it together as well as mix matched. You can also pair it with palazzo or pants as per occasions and make it trendy. Now coming to jewelry, the must-have jewelries if you wear anarkalis like this. One golden set of earrings and necklace or chain. The other white beads. The third one would be a silver diamond jewelry with golden. The first one is a gifted set from Hyderabad. Second one I purchased long time ago from Kolkata and was very useful. The third one is diamond bangles, which can be paired up with most of these anarkalis. The fourth one came as a hair jewelry, which were two different in a box. I purchased two to make it a set as one set of earrings. The last and the final one is again gift or priced set. Thank you for watching so far. Hope the video was useful. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe my video as I'm working really hard.